want to call it?
Chandler Chata.
Nah. It's too alliterative. It's old-fashioned. Every business doesn't have alliteration in its name.
What the fuck are you talking about? It's Chandler Chata.
Chandler Chata.
No, Chandler Chata. Chandler Chata.
Why? Why Chandler Chata?
Why not Chandler Chata?
It sounds stupid.
Daddy likes Chandler Chata.
What if there's a restaurant? What if we wanted to open a restaurant? What would we call it?
Be Chandler fucking Chicken.
That's it? We just have chicken? Chandler Chicken?
No, you'd have other things. You'd have sides.
Yeah, but you're just saying Chandler Chicken because it has a CH. It's alliteration. Why stop there? How about Chandler's Cherry Chatters? Chandler's Chummy Cherry Chatters. Stupid.
The fuck would you call it?
Cape Ann Whale Watch. Front Cape Ann. We take people out to watch whales. Chandler's Chatters doesn't say anything to anybody. Nobody knows what that is. I mean, if you had like a burger place, would you just call it Billy's Burgers?
It's Chandler Chatas. It is Chandler Chatas.
What are you getting so upset about? It sounds stupid, I'm just saying. Excuse me.
Oh, you bum!
Idiot.
Get that for me, please. Thank you.
Hello? It's Lee. Who's this? It's Elise.
Let me talk to your mom in private a second.
Dad, wait. It's sudden death.
Elise, you can't talk right now. It's sudden death.
No, don't hang up. Don't hang up. I'll
Hey,
take
Dad.
it in the other room. Elise, I'm gonna take it in the other room.
Dad, can I say hi?
Just,
Tell her Patrick wants to say hi.
yeah. Look. Elise, yeah, Patrick's right here. He wants to say hello. She's got she can't talk right now. Hello? Actually, Elise, you know what? Ah,